Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick, short video about this Japanese imported Game Boy Light. So the original shell didn't look so good, which was rather unfortunate. And I thought about saving it, but apparently it had so much petting and holes that it shouldn't be in, and that it shouldn't have. So I decided to opt for a transparent clear case. I'm sorry, shell with glow in the dark buttons and membranes. I was going to put a glow in the dark switch for it, but unfortunately I couldn't do that because, well, obviously this is the Game Boy Light, which is the power source is significantly different than the Game Boy Pocket. So the contrast wheel leads something to be desired, just kind of finicky. There are some new ones, they're on the way. Fine wheel works fine. Extension port, I haven't tested that yet. Speaker works, all the buttons work. I actually did repair this thing. You see, this is where the corrosion was at, the negative side. So it just adds character. So even though the negative was actually bad, there were a couple of things that were also bad too. The DC jack and the iPhone jack both work really to hell. So I replaced those. Replaced the fuses. Got a new original display for, I'm sorry, fully repaired a display for this thing, along with a backlight, also known as the EL, I always forget what it's called. Right now it's running HDX AA batteries. I'm planning on recapping this thing in the future. Oh, also got a glow-in-the-dark speaker to go along with it. So, I did manage to get this thing to work. I had to replace the inner part of the toggle switch or the slider switch because apparently it was making really weird connections and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys. All of his glory. Yes, I'm keeping the original display because one, putting a backlight, an IPS on this thing is horrible. And the second thing is, I guess you have fucking. Let's go and play a game of Tetris. So you can clearly see. Sorry, so you can clearly see. It is 100% functional. Well, the Tetris game up arrow and select button do nothing actually. Is it corrected? The select button does actually do something. So there you have it.